Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. So here I am with a breaking news related to Karnataka TET 2024. The notification is out now and you can see the document here. It is dated 15th April 2024 and that is today's date, and here they are giving a website, that is schooloeducation.karnataka.gov.in. So here you can apply for Karnataka TET 2024. Okay. So the last date they are telling is 15/5/2024. That is the last date to apply for Karnataka TET 2024 is 15th of May. Okay. So from today the applications are started. You can apply online till May 15th. Okay. I would advise you to wait for 2-3 days. Just don't go and apply now only because of a server issue and a network issue. Maybe the website will not be working properly now. So better wait for 2 to 3 days because by then we will get more information also. Okay, because this is a very preliminary notification which is just giving us the information that you can apply for Karnataka TET 2024 from today. Okay. What else is written here means I will give you a gist. Okay. So they are telling that TET application process is open from 15th April to May 15th, and candidates can apply through the official website schooloeducation.karnataka.gov.in, and candidates must carefully read the instructions provided on the website before filling out the application form. And also they are telling that candidates can contact the helpline numbers or visit the official website if they have any queries. What are the helpline numbers they are telling? 080-2248-3140, 080-2222-8805 and 080-2248-3145. So all these are landline numbers. If you have any query, you can call them or you can visit the official website. Okay. So candidates must ensure that they fulfill all eligibility criteria before submitting the application, and they are also telling that incomplete applications will be rejected. So candidates should follow the guidelines provided on the website for an easy process. Okay. So they have given this much details here, and they have also given a few more details related to problems which you may face while applying. Anyway, I don't think that this is all very important now. They are also telling about user ID and password, and they are giving the dates also here. See here, Arji Sallikeya Prarambhada Dinanka. That I already told you, right? It is the 15th April. That is today. You can start applying, but I was advising you to apply after 2 to 3 days. Okay. Then Arji Sallisuva Koneya Dinanka, last date. I already told you about this also. It is May 15th. Okay. And then they are telling that if aspirants are willing to pay the exam fee by this challan, then you can apply on 15th. Then you can go to the bank and do the rest work on 16th. That too in the bank timings. Okay. And then they are telling you how to create your user ID and password. Then you can log in and all that. So I think only so much is given now. They will actually give another notification relating to syllabus and more details. Okay. So this is just, you can go through it. I have already uploaded this in the Telegram channel. So if you have not joined our Telegram channel, please do join, because you will be getting all future updates, and there is a Telegram group connected to our channel where we always keep discussing subject related questions. Okay. So this I thought that I will give you a quick update about today's notification to you all. So meet you all soon with more information related to Karnataka TET 2024. Okay. Thank you. All the best. Bye.